In this video, we are going to install SQL Server 2025. As you can see, we head down to the downloads. It's a Microsoft site. And we selected the developer edition, So once we select that, we download it. We use the customization to install it, and then we continue here. And we keep the default. Okay, just click install. And since the download is complete, it's going to start the installation. And we are going to select what we need here. And what we need is an instance of SQL Server and new installation standalone SQL Server we want to install in this box. So we are going to click on that and specify the edition. We have to select the developer edition because that is not going to expire. And it has all the features of the enterprise edition, and we click on the next button. And once we have here, we have a warning, but we can ignore that firewall warning. This is a home box, and then we can just go and keep in the defaults here. Let's see here, and next. On the next, we are going to specify the user though, and we select everything. And we click next. And once he's going to process this, he's going to see if we have all the things. We name the instance SQL 25A, and we keep going. Click next. And then we have all these. We keep them automatic. On the SQL Server agent, we have it manual. That's fine. We can log in manually. SQL Server agent and the full text filter daemon, and we grant perform volume maintenance tasks, and we use the Windows authentication. We have to add the user, the current user on Windows, and once we add the user, we will start the installation. All right, so we should leave this the current user also here, because if we don't add the user, we will have issues. So we continue, and we keep everything as default, and we click on the next button, and features and configuration rules will pop up, and we see if we don't have any changes, we just click on the next button. And once we click on the next button, it will process everything ready to install. It's going to discover, install the features, everything. I'm going to pause it and then come back when everything is complete. Everything is succeeded, as you can see. And once we finish that, we just click close. And SQL Server is there. I launched the SQL Server Management Studio, which is the version 22 at the moment, and I click next, and we will see all the databases. I have already installed a lot of databases in this computer, adventure work, and my Sakila and everything. All that of databases here, you can use them for what I call it, developer for training. There are so many of them. You see the tables here. You can find out what the table is, and then you can try just a demo SQL command here. We select to start from the production. Use adventure work, of course, 2025 here, and we can run that and see what it gives. You see it did the work here for us, and after that we go ahead and we can add more commands, like order by or whatever. So you can see here how he did it. It's so good. So that's it for now. Thank you.